Aditya Tripathi. He was a student of Doon Defence Academy, NDA Pratham Part, and he is selected for NDA 155 course. Straight away, I will ask Aditya Tripathi to share some experience.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, telling my SSB experience, I went for 4 FSB Varanasi. So it was my first attempt in SSB, and it was quite much better than what I expected. Before going for SSB, everybody is in haze. What kind of things would be there, or what kind of things would be experiencing, and everybody is in a little bit of nervousness. So I was also a bit nervous before going for SSB. Before the SSB final reporting day, before that night only, I was thinking, how would be the day? How would be the next day? Would I be screened in or conference out, or I would be selected? Finally, these all things were going in my mind. But at that point of time, you have to only think that I have to be focused, and you have to be giving your 100%. You have to be totally focused, and within your mind, you have to think, this is the test of my own personality. It is nothing from the world outside. Ki they will ask you something you would be not be knowing. 5:30 you would be reporting on the gate. So there itself the atmosphere will be quite much like everybody is in competition. Everybody wants to be getting screened in. But at that point also you have to be thinking about yourself only. सबसे important thing is perceiving, observation, and this has to be part of your life. From now onwards, you step out of the gate, you step out of DDA, you are observing continuously. Human mind is observing and moving continuously. Within seconds, my mind went to New York. Within seconds, I came back to India. ये सब mind का खेल है. So your mind should be totally focused. Geopolitics, be it geopolitics or be it current news events, why these things are going, you have to be deep down. उसमें you have to be analytical. हर चीज़ में analyze करना है. So these things are observed in SSB. Psychology testing में be very chill. SSB से nervous होने की बिल्कुल ज़रूरत नहीं है. You have to go simply there. वहाँ पे simple testing होती है. अपने आप को present करने की कोशिश करनी है. बस present कैसे करते हैं आप depends on you. You have to be in your fullest. 100% अपना 100% जो potential होता है उस pin point को आपको अपने साथ लेके जाना है. Coming to the GTO part, the psych test was normal. Normal stories है, एक PDF है 342 pages की something, उसी में से सारी pictures थी, and it was quite bit normal. सारी stories normal थी. You have to follow newspaper if you are not following newspapers, follow करिए regularly. Conference में normally questions are asked about the how was the stay or something like that. तो वो सब भी normal रहता है, ज़्यादा कुछ tension लेने की जरूरत नहीं.